Hi, my name's Grant and I'm going to be cooking up some summertime recipes with Ooni, and I'm going to show you how to spatchcock a chicken and cook it in the Karu 16 with a garlic, lemon and herb butter. Whenever I roast a chicken, my go-to flavours are garlic, lemon and herbs, and it gets elevated a level when you cook it outside. Cooking it in the Karu 16 is fantastic because I can control the temperature with lump wood charcoal, and I can add a little bit of smokiness with a few logs right at the end. I'm going to show you a technique of how to speed up your cooking time with a chicken, and that's called spatchcocking a chicken.
It's super simple to do. Start with, you need to turn your chicken upside down with the legs facing towards you. Take a strong pair of scissors and cut either side of the backbone. Stay as close to the spine as possible as you don't want to lose any meat. Remove the bone, turn it over and push with your hands downwards to flatten the chicken. Then place the chicken on a cast iron skillet. Next up, you want to make your garlic and herb butter. Thinly slice some garlic and then add some salt and pepper. The salt helps to draw out the moisture from the garlic. Then use the back of a knife to push down, making a garlic paste. Remove the rosemary from its stalk and then finely slice. Tear the thyme leaves from its stem and then add the herbs to the garlic. Add the butter and mix until combined. You can lift the skin away from the chicken breast and place the butter under the skin. You can also score the legs and thighs and make little pockets to place the butter inside. Place the remaining rosemary sprigs around the chicken, cover in olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Then surround it with 2 lemons sliced in half. Fire up your oven, aiming for approximately 240 degrees C, and place the chicken inside.
So the chicken's in the oven and that's going to take about 45 minutes to cook. Now I want to try and keep this around 240 degrees C. Towards the end I want to add a bit of rosemary, I want to add a few bits of kindling because that'll add a really nice smoky flavour to the dish. And then when those lemons cook, we can just take them out and then just squeeze all that incredible juice over the chicken.
Every 10 minutes we want to check the chicken to make sure it's cooking evenly. Also get a pastry brush to cover it in all the delicious butter and juice to make sure it doesn't dry out.
Look at that. I mean, for me, this is what outdoor cooking's all about. You get the sizzle from the grills of the pan, it smells incredible. If you get a chance to make it this summer, I hope you enjoy.